Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today is Sunday, 20th March 2022. Let's have a look at today's gold prices in the UAE. But before that, I would like you to request to please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive all the notifications on time. Starting with the 1 gram 24 carats gold, the price without VAT is 232.75 and with VAT is 244.39. As we know, the VAT rate in the UAE is 5%. For 22 carats gold, the without VAT price is 218.75 and with VAT price is 229.69. For the 21 carat 1 gram price without VAT is 208.75 and with VAT is 219.19. For the 18 carat without VAT price is 178.75 and with VAT is 187.69. I hope you will find this information useful, and if this information is useful to you, please like this video, and again I would like you to request to please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.